Last thing I'm going to cover is gas blocks and takedown pins. So, for example, on this one, I have an adjustable gas block by Parallax. I believe that was about $40. I wouldn't consider that a budget gas block, but most of them have the pins right there. The set screws. Just use Loctite. This one I got for about, I think it was 17, 18 bucks. I think they sell for a little bit more, but I really like this one. It's the Vector Optics one, and you actually bolt it down there, so it doesn't actually doesn't bolt to your actual barrel. I really like that one, but it won't work with any free float ones where it goes inside because it's not a low profile. And all three of these have it inside, so you probably can't even really see it, but they're in there. And there's that pigtail gas tube from Phase 5 Tactical, which is awesome. Now, as far as the takedown pins, I replaced all mine with the extended ones. So first, let's go over, where is it? I'll just pick this one back up. So these are the Noveski extended takedown pins. Push it out. Those are about $18, so it'll be around $22 with shipping. So on their website, they're out of stock of them, just like any Noveski product. So someone recommended, I believe it was Gun Wild that recommended these to me. I could be wrong, but these are the YHM EZ Pulls. They're a lot bigger. I mean, a lot bigger. Look at that bad boy. That's a monster. So these run about $17. You find them easily on eBay. These are the way to go. I mean, they really make taking down your rifle and putting it back a breeze. I mean, just the Noveski ones are definitely an upgrade, but I consider these more of an upgrade, and they're cheaper. Some people aren't satisfied with the basic. There's a trigger guard. I don't mind it. I have the basic one on this one, the 545 and the 300 Blackout have the Mo, the Magpul Mo one, which is just a little bit bigger, but honestly, with gloves, it really doesn't, I don't think that makes that much of a difference. And since I use the levers, it really doesn't make that much of a difference. The only one that I guess could make a difference is one from Phase 5 Tactical. It's their winter trigger guard. That's a big one. And that was about $25 if I remember right. The other ones were, the Magpul ones were around 15 bucks. Now, I don't know how much it's going to cost, but Strike Industries is coming out with a takedown ejection port cover. So you don't have to mess with anything. You don't have to worry about this little C-clip. You just literally just kind of and stick it in there and take it out if you want. That's going to be awesome. They're going to have designs on them. Like I said, I don't know how much they cost, but well worth it. As far as mounts, those aren't cheap. So, thank you guys for watching again.